Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor Menu. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today, we will show you the collection of luxury wooden crafts design ideas from foraged wood for luxury decor and high-end crafts. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Repurposing waste into wealth through foraged wood presents a remarkable opportunity to transform discarded, storm-fallen branches and gnarled roots into exquisite high-end wooden crafts. This process begins with a deep appreciation for nature's bounty, recognizing the potential of materials often overlooked as refuse. When storms wreak havoc in forests, branches and roots lie scattered, deemed as debris by many. However, these very components represent untapped resources that can be salvaged and crafted into luxe products, ultimately bridging the gap between forest floor waste and luxury home centerpieces. By embracing this approach, artisans can marry rugged live edges with sleek modern resin finishes, creating stunning pieces that not only showcase the natural beauty of the wood, but also prove the immense market value that foraged timber holds in today's design landscape. The journey begins with the collection of foraged wood, and the selection process is fundamental to transforming these materials into high-value products. Each branch, root, or log tells a story, characterized by its unique shapes, textures, and imperfections. When artisans salvage these pieces from nature, they become mindful curators of materials that might possess the distinctive qualities needed for high-end craftsmanship. The rustic features of storm-fallen branches, their irregular shapes, wild grains, and live edges are no longer considered flaws, but rather celebrated characteristics that add to the individuality and artistry of the finished work. For example, a windswept branch might twist in ways that lend a sense of movement, or a gnarled root might facilitate an organic profile that becomes the focal point of a luxurious table or sculpture. Once the raw materials have been gathered, the transformation process begins, relying on a blend of traditional woodworking skills and innovative techniques. The artisans take time to clean, dry, and prepare the wood, ensuring it is free from rot or pests while maintaining the integrity of its natural form. This preparation involves meticulous attention to detail, as the preservation of the wood's organic textures is paramount. After cutting and sanding, the journey towards a polished product involves the creative decision-making process of how to best showcase these natural features. The live edges, left intact, tell their own story of growth, resilience, and the elements. By integrating these edges into the design, artisans honor the wood's past while crafting pieces that resonate with contemporary aesthetics. One of the most exciting aspects of working with foraged wood is the potential to incorporate modern materials, such as resin, to elevate the overall design. The marriage of rugged wood textures with sleek resin finishes creates striking contrast and visual depth, ultimately enhancing the piece's luxury appeal. For example, artisans can fill the voids or knots in the wood with epoxy resin, offering not only a functional purpose, but also adding a splash of color or an ethereal quality that captures light in unique ways. This juxtaposition of natural and synthetic materials exemplifies a modern design ethos that appeals to high-end markets as it transforms pieces into functional works of art. Consumers are increasingly drawn to items that reflect both nature and innovative design, and crafting high-end wooden pieces from foraged materials meets this growing demand. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video so far? Make sure to tap that like button and share the channel with your family and friends who love woodworking, decor, and creative inspiration just like you. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you new ideas and projects every day. I'd also love to know where in the world you're watching from, so drop your country in the comments below. And after this video, don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel. You'll find even more inspirational transformations and creative builds waiting for you. Moreover, this creative process presents a sustainable business model that embraces the principles of circular economy. By salvaging materials that would otherwise contribute to waste, artisans are taking proactive steps to minimize environmental impact while simultaneously creating beautiful legacies of craftsmanship. This sustainability narrative resonates particularly well with today's consumers, who are increasingly inclined to support brands and artisans committed to eco-friendly practices. Artisans can articulate this journey, from forest to finished product, through storytelling, educating customers about the origins of their materials and the meticulous process involved in creating each piece. This connection creates added value, as consumers are more likely to appreciate and invest in products that carry a meaningful story. Through the creation of high-end crafts from foraged wood, artisans not only break free from conventional sourcing practices, but also carve out a niche in the luxury market that celebrates the beauty of imperfection. Each crafted item, whether it is a dining table, a decorative bowl, or a unique sculpture, expresses the union of artistry and sustainability, appealing to consumers seeking more than mere aesthetics. The high-end wooden crafts symbolize an intentionality that reflects a lifestyle choice, merging design elegance with environmental awareness. As the appreciation for artisanal craftsmanship continues to grow, the valuation of these products shifts, often commanding higher price points that comprehensively derive from the material story, craftsmanship, and uniqueness. Additionally, marketing plays a critical role in elevating the perceived value of foraged wood crafts. Artisans must harness the power of social media and e-commerce platforms to effectively showcase their work, providing captivating visuals that highlight the raw beauty of the wood alongside the finished product. Engaging imagery demonstrates the transformation from rugged branches to elegant pieces for the home, allowing prospective buyers to witness the artistry involved. Storytelling becomes a powerful marketing tool. Sharing the journey of each piece from foraged find to luxury craft can create an emotional connection with potential customers. Featuring videos of the crafting process or showcasing the environment where the wood was sourced can enhance this connection, inviting individuals to appreciate the work on a deeper level. Beyond consumer interactions, artisans can explore collaborations with interior designers or lifestyle brands that share a commitment to sustainability. These partnerships can serve to elevate the visibility of crafts and create access to wider markets where high-end consumers are searching for distinctive decor pieces. By participating in artisan fairs, exhibitions, and collaborations with eco-conscious influencers, artisans can further engage with audiences that value craftsmanship and sustainability, leading to word-of-mouth promotion and heightened interest in their work. The journey of transforming foraged wood into high-end wooden crafts ultimately communicates a compelling narrative of possibility. The process proves that waste can become wealth, and what may initially seem unworthy transforms into treasures with immense market appeal. By leveraging the inherent relationships between rustic organic textures and modern finishes, artisans can create visually striking pieces that stand as not only functional items, but also reflections of a lifestyle devoted to sustainability and artistry. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked luxury wooden crafts design ideas from foraged wood for luxury decor and high-end crafts. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.